Hello everyone, this is my assignment 5 from lesson 5. Here I decided a project about a K-dramas app. So I create a database here that it is K-dramas, and I created 2 collections, one for the dramas, the title, content, chapter, stage, genre, producer and writer, and the actors. Okay, so here are my collection with the actors. So here, this is my project. I see in the project ideas about movies, and I was thinking about K drama, so that's the reason. Okay, so here is this the same cluster that I was using before, but with this my database and my collections. Okay, so here is my project here. Okay, I have my server.js with the Swagger requirements and the connection with the MongoDB. Here is the connection. I have here my folder, controllers folder, with the actors controller and with the dramas controller here. And okay, and here in my roots I have the actors roots with the Swagger, with the API documentation, my dramas, and with the API documentations here, and my index that I have here my roots for dramas and actors, and I have here my roots files with this the methods get and post here, and my M file with the Mongo, and okay, my swagger.js. So here is now here is my render, and it deployed successfully here, and here is my 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 doc, my swagger. Okay, with all these APIs. Okay, so here I have here for the methods, or the requests for dramas and for actors. Okay, so here I just have one drama here, but I'm going to add a new one. Here is the drama that I have, Goblin. It is the best drama. Okay, so then I have here post drama, so I'm going to post the one that I have here in this part. I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I'm going to try it out. Healer, this is one that is so good. This one is so good. Here, its description chapters is 20. Date genre. It's a combination of these. Producer, and the writer. Okay. Execute. So here we have a response that everything is okay. The drama was added successfully. So if I refresh here, here is our new drama. The healer. It's a good drama. Okay. So now if I want to get, for example, this one, or the last key drama, the healer. If I want to test this, try get the drama by ID. Here is our response. Okay, and this is the healer drama. Okay, so here's the get requests and post. So now for actors, try it out, execute. Okay, I have here all the actors. Okay, so if I want to get a single actor, like Nathan Wook, this one, get by ID. Here is Nathan Wook. And if I want to post a new actor, I'm going to use the one that I put here. So let's try that one. Okay, so the actor is Ji Chang-wook. His character in the drama. This one is a healer, the healer protagonist. His birthday and his nationality. Here. So we're going to add this one, and we have a successfully response. So let's try to refresh our actors, or maybe I think this one is Ji Chang-wook. Here's it. So yeah, so I think for this lesson is everything. For REST API roots, I have here all the roots. And create API documentations for these two roots. We can see here the documentation, input to get all dramas, to add a new drama, or get single drama, the drama ID for actors. So, and the render project is this is a new one, and a new database. And my env file. Well, it's here, my file with all my credentials. And yeah, I think it's all for this week, I hope. So thank you so much for watching and see you next week.